This is my neon, and this is my neon with the clunky front end. This is something that has driven me nuts. I'll show you where the problem is. It wasn't what I originally thought. I'll show you. Surprise of all surprise. I changed the lower bushing, but more on that later. And then, inadvertently, when I was tying everything down, I happened to have put my hand on this thing. Let's see if you can see that. There it is. Right there. You hear that? Barely audible. But that is enough to create a major clunk. Initially, I thought it was this rear bushing. But right here, here's the problem. These things wear out. Neoprene. I even went ahead and got me some other type of bushings, not the acorn style that Chrysler uses. To no avail. It still kept clunking. And the funny thing is, when I first started noticing it, is the clunk would even sound when I would hit something with the right side, it would still reverberate in the left. And I'll show you why in a minute. So here we are. When I went bad initially, I thought it was the lower control arm had gone bad, because these bushings here have a tendency, and look at what a weird design it is. See how it's cocked? This is actually the first lower control arm that I bought inexpensively on eBay, i.e. it's from China. Great design. That never wears out. This hardly ever wears out. This one dies very quickly. Look at this. The whole frame of the car rests like that. What happens is it starts to bend, it gives way, then this moves up, and bang, 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 bang. But that wasn't the issue here. By the way, these bushings also have to be clocked a certain way, like it shows right here in the book. See that? In direct proportion to the ball joint, like this here. Anyhow, it wasn't until I got to this, then I realized something. This is where the factory bushing goes. It fits in there nice and snug. But look at this. See, it's off to one side? And see, that's kind of oblong? Therein lies the problem. Bang, 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 bang. So I said, I went ahead and got some aftermarket bushings, good quality, and just suspensions. It just didn't do it. They're not built the same way. I came across this Problem Solver by Moog. Now, I'm not getting anything from Moog, but these are damn good parts. See that? It's a whole kit. Make sure that when you change these, you change both sides. And go ahead and change the one in the center too, that goes in between the two. Just give it a whole new set of bushings. And that should make your problem go away, providing that this bushing is good. What you can do to save these things is when you buy a new one, not save them but prolong their life, is you can buy them. I read an old hot rod magazine that rubber bushings, the rubber can be hardened if you let it sit out in the sun for 30 days. What I do on these things, I basically stick them on the roof of my house for 30 days, 15 days for this face, 15 days for that. Remember to clock it right. It has to go across like what the book says. See that? Little smiley. Because these suspensions, the reason they're so cockamamie like this, Honda has it, Volkswagen has this. This is what gives you that close turning ratio in the car, because this thing actually leans over to give you a real close turning ratio. If you ever had like a K car from the 80s, man, those things needed 3 blocks to turn around. Not with this modern system. Okay, that's it. Remember, hit like and subscribe, and check out also my other video on the clunk on the charger front end. That was a lot of fun. Good luck, and be well.